everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a fun stickers using Dreamface. The best part, it's super easy and completely free. Okay, let's jump in. First, you will need the app called Dreamface. If you don't already have it, just open the Play Store and search for Dreamface and just install it. Once it's ready, just go ahead and open the app. And then you can log in quickly using your Google account, so need to create a new one. And then don't worry, Dreamface actually offers a free plan. You will get weekly credits plus limited daily generations for video or image. So you can try this without paying anything. And then after logging in, you will be on the home page like this. And here just tap on AI filter and then just scroll down until you find the super filter sections, this one, and inside super filter just look for the options or the filter called fun stickers, this one, just tap on it. Next, just select a photo that you want to turn into a sticker. Just try choosing a clear picture of your face for the best result. After you're finished selecting the photo, simply tap on animate. And okay, that's it. Dreamface already processed your photo and turned it into a fun animated sticker like this. Honestly, it's super cute. Okay, like this, you have just learned how to create your own fun sticker from a photo using Dreamface. It's quick, simple, and totally free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!